Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So today Moha is again with me. You guys asked for him, so he is back into the scene. So guys, today we're going to do the...
We just got off from the Gauw train actually.
Yeah.
So we are in Bosman station.
Yeah.
And we'll be taking a train to...
Pienaarspoort.
Yeah.
It's basically a 45-minute ride all the way. It's basically the most developed corridor at the moment. Metro rail has here in Gauteng. I think it will be an amazing experience.
Yeah.
And yeah guys.
Got our tickets.
There you go.
How much? 16 Rand 50, that's for a return.
Yeah, so going and return. But again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay guys, very quickly, so we came from there, which is basically the Gauw train station. You guys can see it's literally next to the Bosman station. Beautiful building that we have here. Let's have a walk. And look at this, this building was done in 1910. And the cool thing, that building there was also built in 1928. So it's beautiful because it's not only, it's a historical station, probably one of the most beautiful stations that we have here in...
I mean, look at the, come look from this side.
Look at this, how clean it is, eh?
Look how beautiful this is. Like heritage.
Yeah, this is...
Preservation of heritage. It's a heritage building.
Yo, look at that beautiful clock tower, eh?
Yeah. Let's go in.
Let's go in. So through the main entrance. So look at the stone, eh? The masonry used in this building was simply amazing.
I like the order, there's the exit.
Yeah.
On one side, there's the entrance on one side.
Yeah.
You know?
Look at this, how beautiful this is, eh?
Yeah.
Look at arches. Look at this, how beautiful it is, eh? Very well maintained. You got your ticket, right?
Yeah. You know what I sense here? It's there's life. It's not like your Gauw train station, which is a bit more sterile.
Yes, yes.
I like the vibe inside the station. Real station.
Okay, I think we need to go through there or through here. I'm not sure. Okay. Can I go through there? Let's go through there, brother. That side, okay.
Pienaarspoort.
Hi guys, someone Nani?
Lovely.
Pienaarspoort, thank you. You guys can see very well, very nice. And it's like I say, it's like 10:20 in the morning.
Well, let's hope this one is going to be busy.
Yeah. Hey, it will be super big. This is the most developed corridor at Kiel.
Yeah.
And the very cool thing about this part of the station is like they have these murals.
Yeah.
So on the walls, for example, this one here. Yeah, this station is a lot of what you call it, character. It's a huge business center. What this line actually brought. You will see it now. I did it the other day just to test it.
Yeah.
Do you know the stats for SEPs in terms of crime? They have zero.
Yeah.
Zero crimes in these lines.
In this train.
It's super safe. So you see guys, you got some cool murals here. This is something that I would love to see on the Gauw train stations.
Yeah, definitely.
Something more livid, you know, more.
Yeah. Also, just feel like there's people who walk around here.
Exactly, yeah. So you see, it's even called Metro Rail Art Gallery. It's beautiful.
Bit of Hindi art there.
Yeah, see it? Not sure which goddess is. I don't know if it's Shiva.
Goddess of travel.
Yeah. There you go, more murals. No, amazing. Leaving now at 10:30. It's already 10:20. Perfect. So basically, people are gonna get out. We're gonna get in, and there you go.
Yeah. Exciting.
Very. There you go. I don't care what you guys say. Made in South Africa. Troy, can you imagine this place in peak hour?
Yeah. And this is how you revive economies, man. Look at the small scale. People are coming from wherever they're coming from. Got stuff to sell, cheaper transport. You know?
And people they're taking ownership of it. You know, this is a pride project for South Africa. You know.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's start.
It's busy. Let's go with this.
Yeah. Got someone selling. Here, right? And we're going all Pretoria-Pienaarspoort. Okay, so people doing some business also here, which is nice.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, we're leaving now. 10:32. Let's do this. That's where we're going, and we're going to, there you go, so Meer Station, Devenish Street, Walker Street. We're leaving now. You guys can see the telecom tower there. Pretoria is beautiful. Pretoria CBD is just something about it. Look at all of it. So you guys can see the security is pretty tight also. And we arrived at our first station. So Meer Street. Let me show you how Meer Street look like. There you go, Meer Street, guys. Wait, sorry. Now you can see the quality of the stations, eh?
Yeah.
Very straight.
This is how everything's gonna look like.
Yeah.
It's fixed.
So there you go. First one. So now imagine all the other stations like being this in a few years time. You know what I mean? Meer Station. I think it's Devenish Street next door. I think they're having a meeting there. So yeah. So Devenish Street. And that was quick. Guys can see how the platforms look, really nice. Walker Street now. Yo, look at this was quick. Oh yeah, you can do that. There you go guys, that's the station. Look at this, so beautiful, eh? And you can see the developer around the station, eh?
Yeah.
So
these are proper working stations.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, love the space.
Yes, correct, yeah. Yeah.
You can come watch rugby, take a train from Joburg.
Look at that. It's beautiful, eh? No, I love to see. Oh, look at the Union buildings.
Where?
Shoot, I couldn't catch them. Yeah, but it's there just in front of you. Yeah, there you go. Let me see if I can
that's the stadium
catch. Sure, it's
The
beautiful.
rugby stadium.
Wow. This place looks amazing in summer, eh? I didn't see this the other day, eh? I didn't see this the other day.
You didn't.
I think not, eh? Oh, I
You
did.
didn't use this line.
No, I did, but I was so focused, like, doing other stuff, I didn't even, like, look. You may. There you go, guys. That's how it looks like. Super clean. Brother, there is not a piece of garbage on the floor. Nothing. Super well maintained. Look at that.
It's not anything formal.
At least you are safe, no? You are safe.
Yeah, completely. Everything is fine. There you go, guys. Re 6th Street. You guys can see like they are also building around the station, which is cool. This one is so station, yeah, Hartbeespoort and who the sport, yeah. So train. Okay.
Please mind the platform.
This one is Hartbeespoort. Open now. Okay, coolio. There you go, guys. Pretoria-Pienaarspoort. And look at the greenery. So cool. Working perfectly, no issues. They're also working on the line, you guys can see. And it's speeding. And look at all this, eh? Amazing to see Gauteng on summer. During summer, amazing. Wow. Very nice, eh? Next station is Commuting. There you go. I got heavy security, that's no doubt about it. They don't play with safety, that's for sure. There you go, Commuting. How's it, guys? How are you? Good, good, man. There you go, beautiful, clean, awesome.
The first time we get to see the working stations, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
As opposed, I mean, at least we know the ones that are being rebuilt.
Yeah, yeah, no, I agree, I agree.
This gives us a sense of
What the other lines will be completely operational with all the stations
yeah,
open,
exactly.
and the development it brings to the areas, you know.
And the maintenance as well. I think
Yeah.
you can
No,
see how
yeah,
clean it is.
This is something else, eh? There you go. There you go. Okay, we're leaving now.
The next stop is Silverton Station.
So Silverton Station is next. No, fantastic job. And it's fast. We have now, so this is Silverton. There you are. There you go, guys. That's Silverton. So the next one is Eersteres, Waterloo, Dennyboom. It's kind of an industrial area. This one we're not going to stop. Eersteres is the next one. So that we're going straight on this one.
Welcome on board the train to Pienaarspoort Station. The next stop is Waterloo Station.
Okay, there you go. So Waterloo Station. That's where we're stopping. Our bags are also there, so very safe. It's like you don't have a care in the world. There you go. Amazing. Love it.
No more criminals, nothing of smash and grab.
Yeah.
Just standing with your phone there, somebody come and grab it and run away. No more.
Thank you.
Nothing like that.
Check your phone until to your
You
destination.
feel safe in the airport.
Yeah.
Even the aircon, yes.
No, we're actually talking.
Yeah.
Even if there's winter, there's a heat.
In winter?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
We're actually talking about the how train, how much
It's
better
more,
this
it's more
is.
safe
Yeah.
to take country.
Yeah, yeah.
So guys, we are now in Dennyboom. Dennyboom, okay. Dennyboom. Got it now.
Check the name.
I don't know. I'm Portuguese. What can I say? And there you go, guys. You guys can see it's very packed. Law and order. You guys can see. Very nice.
On board the train to Pienaarspoort Station. The next stop is Eersteres Station.
Okay. All right. These are the next stations.
Like, I mean, in terms of economy, in terms of saving, in terms of convenience, you know, they were telling me
Just to go to town, see it from Mamelodi, with the taxi, it's 25 rand, but the train, it's 850, then you're saving.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're saving a lot.
Wow.
So
Thank you.
that equates to how many trips? 3 trips.
Yeah.
On a taxi. You can imagine how much money you save.
Yeah, no, I agree. We are now in Alphabet. We have been now for 20 minutes, some sort of 23 minutes into the train. Oh, this is the Fort Silverton factory. You guys can see that. Wow.
Approaching Yesterday Breakfast Station. Thank you for traveling with Metro Rail.
Station.
Mind the platform lights.
Okay guys, we got now into Jurist Fabrik.
Yes.
Jester Fabrik.
We'll talk Portugal.
Okay, let's see this now. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much also.
I thought you were an Afrikaner.
No, I'm not. I'm Portuguese. Portuguese South African.
That's my team right there.
Oh wait, is it? Which
Orlando
team is it?
Pirates.
Orlando Pirates, there you go. Thank you. So there you go. Sorry I butchered the name, but that's the name there. So we're stopping like what? 30 seconds in each station. We're moving.
So in
Welcome on board the
Mamelodi now. Yeah.
Pienaarspoort Station.
So this all makes part of Mamelodi.
No, there is another YouTube channel. This one LivinginSAtv.
Fantastic. Great job. So next station is Mamelodi Gardens. Mamelodi now, that's where we are, guys. Awesome public service. See how people are also taking good care of the trains. Something to be proud of. There you go, guys. Mamelodi. Brother, best corridor until now.
Yeah.
Which was your favorite?
I think this is one of my best. I think we saved the best for last.
The best for last, literally, yeah.
I'm really enjoying this one.
Yeah.
It's nice because at least you can see people.
Yeah.
You know, you can see it working. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I agree.
Yeah.
Look at this. Eh? So cool. Green view. Boom. We just arrived. Oh, it's probably a project ongoing still. After this being finished, it's gonna look like amazing. So we arrived in Pienaarspoort. That was quick. Show beautiful mountains on the background. There you go, guys. Pienaarspoort station. We arrived. No worries in the world. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Well, we don't have to stop. We just stay inside of the train. So
Really?
we just have to stay inside of the train.
Yeah. But now, you know, get a lot of people walking in, getting in. You see how
There you
busy
go,
it is.
guys. Wait, sorry.
This side.
Look, it's pumping.
Yeah.
Pumping big time, eh? So it's 11:14, 45 minutes. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go start. We're going at the end of the train now. You guys can see all the way there. And we're gonna walk inside of the coaches all the way to that side. You guys can see Pienaarspoort, that's how the station looks, pretty much clean. Very nice.
There you go.
What?
Pienaarspoort.
Yep, that's the one. I would like to do a walk around here, eh?
It'll be great, huh?
Just to see how's the How's the daily life?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do from here, so Pienaarspoort, blah 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 blah, and all the way to Pretoria. And if you guys still doubt, it says Gibelle, manufactured by Gibelle in South Africa.
It's 11:25.
11:25, we're leaving now on time. Okay guys, we're leaving now in Pienaarspoort. Yep.
Mets. Oh, okay.
Good luck, eh? Hope you guys studied, eh? Okay, brother, let's go.
Are you gonna get on time? Yeah. Are you sure? You trust the train?
And don't skip school, eh?
You
Let's
trust
do
the
it.
train? That you're gonna get on time? Alright.
Of course they will. Good luck, eh? Hi everyone. People also here. Guys, say hi to the camera.
These are the people who keep us safe. And we've been we've had very positive things from the people in the train about how since the train has opened, there hasn't been any incidences. So
Big ups.
Hola.
Hi guys. So look, this is super full, brother.
yes, packed.
It's nice and stable, you can go around. Us guys, get on the first coach. So the coaches are long, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pienaarspoort Station.
Savanani everyone, Savanani. We got an amazing train here, guys. We got an amazing train, don't we? We do. Need to celebrate what we have. Let's go. Sure, this coach is packed. Sure, it's packed. How's it, guys? Savanani, Savanani. Savanani, guys. Wait. So you can see how actually far the coaches go. Oi. Savanani, guys. Savanani. Sure. Savanani, guys. Savanani. Savanani, everyone. Savanani. Are you still with us? You guys can see it's 11:36 now. Hey, it's far. You need to have lives here. How's it, guys? Savanani, Savanani. Savanani. Savanani, everyone. How's it? You see it's nice, it's safe. Savanani, guys. Savanani. Excuse me, thank you. Savanani. Savanani, Savanani, everyone. Savanani. Savanani, everyone. Good. Okay, how's it, guys? Savanani, Savanani. Savanani.
Please mind the platform gap.
Savanani. Savanani. Savanani, everyone. How's it? Good. So there you go, guys. We are the Boom. So, brother, tell us what happened.
Tell me what happened.
Okay, so no, you need to explain that. No, explain because this is funny.
What were you doing just now?
So I was saying Savanani to everyone.
What does that mean?
Good day, right?
In Zulu, right?
In Zulu, yeah.
But we're in a Sotho, Pedi, Tswana speaking area.
Which I didn't know.
Yeah, so basically greeting people with a language they do understand, but they like, okay, what's wrong with this guy?
So it's basically like you mentioned, it's like going to a Spanish-speaking country and say everyone "ça va."
Ça va, ça va, ça va.
So basically I was Savanani, but nobody was like, "Is this guy crazy?"
Yeah.
Okay, but now just say. So in this part, what should I say?
Dumela.
Dumelang and
Tobela.
and Tobela. Dumelang and Tobela. Done. Now I know.
Yeah.
So look at those. Look at these prehistoric type of paintings. So cool. Sure, this is an amazing detail.
On board the train 2.
Here you go, guys, final destination. And we are back in Pretoria.
I think wrapping everything up, this was one of my best train ride so far.
Agreed.
Seeing the people relaxed. This has been.
You can almost fall asleep, to be honest.
Yeah.
So safe it is, you know.
This line has been open for quite some time, so people are just used to it and they're just relaxed.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! There you go. Everyone is coming from here.
Amazing.
We did it! We did it! Woo! Boom! Yo, we done. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you. Boom!